Welcome to the best picks. The best Timberline Sharpener is probably one of the most important tools for anyone who works with saws regularly, ensuring your blade stays sharp and efficient, saving you time, effort, and money in the long run. Whether you're a professional logger, a passionate woodworker, or simply someone who enjoys DIY projects, maintaining your saw blades is crucial for safety and efficiency, and a good sharpener is key to that. Number 5. Oregon Field 7 PC Kit. Maintaining a sharp chainsaw is essential for safety and efficiency. This kit makes the job easy, no matter where you are. It's got everything you need: round files in 3 sizes, a flat file, a handle, a guide, and even a carrying case. With files sized 5/32-inch, 3/16-inch, and 7/32-inch, it's suitable for various chainsaws and tools. The handy guide ensures accurate and consistent sharpening every time. It simplifies the process and helps you get it right. The compact canvas pouch keeps everything organized and secure. Take it with you to any job site. A detailed instruction sheet and filing chart are included to help you select the correct file and technique for your chain. What we like. This kit is perfect for on-the-go sharpening. It includes various files to fit your needs, making sharpening easy even for beginners. If you need a convenient and comprehensive solution for maintaining your chainsaws, this is the one for you. What people say. Chains need sharpening and this will do the job well. The durability of this kit is pretty nice. Overall, this kit is made of quality materials, it makes sharpening your chain speedy, and it's easy to use. The sturdy compact case protects the tools, keeps them organized and close at hand. Number 4. Stihl 2-in-1 Chainsaw Sharpener. This innovative tool makes maintaining your chainsaw quick and easy. It's a 2-in-1 design for ultimate convenience. With its simple design, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Sharpen your chain in minutes, not hours. Keep your chainsaw running smoothly and efficiently. Regular sharpening ensures optimal performance and safety. It's built to last, providing years of reliable service. This is a worthwhile investment for any chainsaw owner. It's small enough to easily store in your garage or take with you on the go. Its compact size doesn't compromise its effectiveness. This product is made in the United States, ensuring high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like. This 2-in-1 tool simplifies the sharpening process. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for those new to chain maintenance. If you value simplicity and efficiency in your sharpening routine, this tool is a great choice. What people say. Takes a couple minutes to sharpen a chain. I have several chains from before getting this. I sharpened them all in about 30 minutes and now I just knock out the 1 or 2 use after a day of cutting wood. My chain was a bit neglected, but with a little work this got saw cutting like hot knife through butter. Easy to figure it out. Very well engineered product. It works as a complete sharpening chain device for both sides and for the top rakes and the cutters. I was able to file them so sharp that it scared me how sharp it gotten. I did too many cuts, about 80 cuts so fast. Number 3. Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. This innovative sharpener makes maintaining your chainsaw easier than ever. Say goodbye to tedious hand sharpening and hello to quick, precise results. It features incredibly durable, titanium-plated diamond wheels. These wheels last 20% longer than standard wheels, saving you time and money. No need to remove the chain. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring only 4 simple steps for setup, and a helpful video is available to guide you. This high-powered tool quickly sharpens even the dullest chains in minutes. Experience the speed and efficiency of professional-grade sharpening. The included angle attachment ensures perfectly sharpened chains every time. This protects your chain from damage and keeps it razor-sharp. It's the ideal gift for any chainsaw owner. This sharpener makes chain maintenance simple, efficient, and safe, making it a practical and thoughtful present. What we like. This electric sharpener offers superior durability and speed. Its precision ensures perfectly sharpened chains every time. If you demand professional level results quickly and efficiently, this is the ideal option. What people say. The angle guide is a big help. It cuts pretty fast. Sharpen my chainsaw easily. It is easy to use and easy to set up. I like the way the guide has the angles printed to help you keep the grinding bit straight. The bits are very well made and long-lasting as well. With a big winter storm that took down a lot of trees, my Husqvarna 460 Rancher 24 saw was getting a real workout and the chain needed sharpening or replacing. Hand sharpening has always been hit or miss for me as I don't need to very often, so, not a pro by a long shot. I decided to get this sharpener and, wow, for ease of use, quality of build, and outcome, you can't beat this. I will never go back to manually sharpening. It comes well packaged with 3 blade sizes, tools for charging the file's blades, and a small instruction sheet. The instructions aren't super detailed, but it has a QR code that will get you signed up for your warranty, download a full set of instructions, and give you a discount code for buying more little file's blades. I watched a couple of videos online, but using this sharpener is pretty self-explanatory. You need to know or look up your chain for your saw for the angle and size blade to use. Swapping out the blade is like any other rotary tool, and there is a little metal guide to help ensure you have the right blade. The guide can be used or not. I used it as it did help keep me honest with the correct angle. As far as actually sharpening the saw, I found that just a little pressure and moving the blade back and forth a couple of times for each tooth was plenty. After you have done a few teeth, you will get a feel for the best method that works. It took less than 10 minutes to do both sides of the saw and all the teeth. After sharpening the saw, I had a couple of trees to cut up and was amazed at how sharp it was cutting through hardwood like butter. I would have sworn I had a brand new chain on the saw, it was that good. Number 2. Sharp Pebble Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to sharpen your chainsaw quickly and easily. It includes a powerful electric sharpener, different size diamond sharpening wheels, and an angle guide for precision. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, it's simple to use. The ergonomic design and angle guide make sharpening a breeze, no matter which hand you use. Unlike hand filing, it ensures every tooth is sharpened at the same angle and depth. This gives you a consistently sharp, razor-like finish. With adjustable speed settings and high-quality bearings, it delivers a clean, precise finish in minutes. This saves you time, fuel, and extends the life of your chainsaw. A dull chain is dangerous. This sharpener ensures a sharp chain, reducing strain on your chainsaw and preventing accidents. It's a safer and more efficient way to maintain your equipment. What we like. This electric sharpener makes chain maintenance a breeze. It surpasses hand filing in speed and precision, ensuring consistently sharp chains. If you want a fast, accurate, and user-friendly electric sharpening solution, this is for you. What people say. It works fast with very little setup time, but you still need to know what size bit to use on your particular chain. This little kit works great for sharpening chainsaws, has various diamond wool sizes depending upon your frequency of use, may want to buy more after you use it a while. The guide on the nose is helpful to maintain a good grinding angle. The tool is very functional, and I like that it is variable speed. The degree guide for aligning the sharpening bits works well too. Number 1. Stihl Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener. This innovative tool makes chain sharpening easier than ever before. Say goodbye to complicated sharpening processes and hello to perfectly sharpened chains. It's a 2-in-1 tool. This sharpener resharpens the cutter and lowers the depth gauge simultaneously, saving you time and effort. With its easy-to-use design, it's simple to achieve a professional quality sharpening every time. Even beginners can achieve great results. It's designed for 3 8-pitch chains, making it compatible with a wide range of chainsaws. Make sure it's the right fit for your saw. Spend less time sharpening and more time cutting. It's a cost-effective solution for maintaining your chainsaw. Get the Stihl Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener and experience the difference. It's the perfect tool for keeping your chainsaw in top condition. What we like. This 2-in-1 tool is designed for ease of use and efficiency. It streamlines the sharpening process, allowing for quick and precise sharpening. If you prioritize a simple yet effective sharpening solution, this tool is perfect for you. What people say. This system sharpens the cutting teeth and adjusts the depth gauge in one step. It not only files teeth, but the rakers as well, leaving your saw throwing the chips it is supposed to. This simple but clever tool makes chainsaw sharpening very easy and the results are amazing. It is simple to use and it only takes a few minutes to sharpen a chain. It is all set up for perfect cutting angles and sharpens the teeth and reduces the rakers at the same time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.